extraction of iron from its oxide. First one, ores of iron. That is first one, hematite, magnetite, limonite, iron pyrites, siderite. These are the ores of iron. Formula Fe2O3, Fe3O4. Fe2O3 taught 2 times of water. FeS2, FeCO3. This one is oxide ore. Red oxides of ores of iron. This one is a magnetic oxide ore, ores of iron. This one hydride oxide ore of iron. This one sulfide ores of iron. Another name called as fool's gold. Special type nickname. This name spathic ores of iron. These are the ores of iron. Major ore is hematite. Extraction of iron from the hematite ore, because of this one is the highest percentage among the remaining. First method is concentration. Whatever be any is what extraction of metal from the ore, that is a metallurgy. First method is a concentration. What is the meaning for concentration? Powdered ore is constituted by the gravity separation process, because of hematite is an oxide ore constituted by the gravity separation process. This is a point number 1. Another one is a point number 2. Calcination and roasting. This calcination roasting takes place Revar-Petit furnace. You know that Revar-Petit furnace is used for the oxidation reduction, roasting and smelting process. You know that what is the meaning for calcination? Carbonate ore converted to oxide. Roasting is a sulfide ore converted into oxide. Here all the impurities can be washed away. Point number 1, moisture is removed. Point number 1. Point number 2, impurities like sulfur, phosphorus and arsenic, these are formed as a volatile oxide. This can be removed as a oxide formation. For example, sulfur SA8 undergo oxidize to formation of SO2. This is sulfur 8 times, here 8. Another one is the phosphorus E4 undergo oxidize to formation of E4 O10. Phosphorus pentoxide. 4, here is a 5. Another one is arsenic undergo oxidize to formation of As2O. Arsenic pentoxide. These are formed as a volatile impurities can be easily removed. This process known as calcination, roasting. Another one is a reverbertive furnace. Next is smelting. Smelting takes place cast furnace. These are the blast furnace. Blast furnace is a tall cylindrical furnace made up of steel in which lying inside with fire brisk. This reaction, this furnace reaction takes place. There are four important regions. First, furnace charges ores, coke, calcium carbonate ratio is 8:4:1. One more question may be asked. Here calcium carbonate acts as a flux, or all are ordered to the blast furnace. There are four regions. First region is a combustion zone, another one is a fusion zone, another one is a slag formation, last one is a reduction. We are going to be discussed. First one, combustion zone, that is a lower region. This is a combustion zone, lower region. In that, what are the charges? Ores, coke and calcium carbonate. First, coke react with oxygen to form the carbon dioxide. This is known as what? Combustion zone. In this reaction takes place at lower region. Carbon react with oxygen, temperature 1570 Kelvin to formation of carbon dioxide and liberation of heat. So heat value delta H equal to minus 393.3 kilojoule energy can be liberated. Energy liberated means this reaction known as exothermic reaction. This reaction takes place in lower region by passing the blast hot air and oxygen from two sides. Carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, produce larger amount of gas. This carbon dioxide rise upward and contact with red hot coke. That is a carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas rise upward and contact with red hot coke. Some amount of heat can be absorbed, made in the temperature greater than 1270 Kelvin to formation of carbon monoxide. In this reaction, some of the amount of heat can be absorbed. This reaction known as endothermic reaction. Another one, slag formation. Here, calcium oxide is formed as a slag. This one is heated to formation of temperature 1123 Kelvin to form calcium oxide plus CO2. This calcium oxide react with SiO2 to formation of calcium silicate formed as a slag. Here, calcium oxide acts as a basic flux. This one, acidic impurities. This can be removed as a slag. This reaction, some of the amount of energy is absorbed. This reaction also what? Endothermic reaction. This both fusion and slag formation takes place middle region. Last one is reduction zone. This reduction zone takes place in the upper part of the blast furnace. Here Fe2O3 react with the carbon monoxide, maintain the temperature 500 to 900 Kelvin to formation of Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. Balance equation. Here 3, here is a 2, so 6. Here is a 4, 6 2s are 12, 4 into 3, 12 iron. Another one is a carbon 18, here is a 2, so totally 20, 16 is a 2 times. 12, here is a 12, oxygen is what? 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 4, 20 is a 2 oxygen. Further, this compound contact with the carbon monoxide, same temperature, to formation of FeO plus CO2. Is a 3 ion. Oxygen is a 4, here 1 5, 3 plus 2 5. Further, Fe2O3 react with the carbon monoxide, same temperature, to formation of FeO plus CO2. Here 2 ion, 2 oxygen is here 3, here only 4, 2 plus 2 4, only 1 carbon. Further, FeO react with the carbon monoxide, maintain the temperature 1123 Kelvin to formation of Fe plus CO2. One Fe, 2 oxygen, so 1 carbon. This is a solid form, it's a molten state. Here, extraction of iron from its oxide. Major ore is a hematite ore. Hematite ore is what? Oxide ore constructed by the gravity separation process. Another calcination and roasting takes place at Liberty furnace. Sulfur, phosphorus, arsenic formed as a volatile impurity get oxidized. Another one is a smelting process takes place at blast furnace. These are the tall cylindrical furnace made up of steel in which line inside with fire brisk. This reaction takes place, there are 4 types by bossing the blast, hot air and oxygen. First one is combustion zone. Carbon react with oxygen, temperature is 1570 Kelvin to form carbon dioxide. Some of the amount of heat can be easily liberated. Liberation of heat is 393.3. This negative value is an exothermic reaction. This carbon dioxide gas move upward in the furnace, further contact with red hot coke, some amount of heat absorbed. Temperature is greater than 1270 Kelvin to formation of carbon monoxide. This reaction known as what? Endothermic reaction. Another one is log formation. This one acts as a flux, converted to calcium oxide. Calcium oxide react with oxygen as a silica to formation of calcium silicate formed as a slag. Slag formed by the combination of matrix and flux. Another one is a reduction zone. Here, carbon monoxide, this is a carbon monoxide gas, rise upward and contact with the Fe2O3. Fe2O3, carbon monoxide made in the temperature 500 to 900 Kelvin to formation of magnetic oxide. This magnetic oxide further react with the carbon monoxide to formation of iron oxide. Again same reaction. Further, iron oxide treated with carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide acts as a powerful reducing agent like carbon. This iron oxide converted to iron is a molten state. So extraction of iron from oxide, the iron form the different types. First one is big iron, another name cast iron. This is an impure form. Here 2.5 to 4% of carbon along with the sulfur, silicon and phosphorus as a impurity. This one used for making stove, pipe, train pipe, another one is a radiators. Next one, wrought iron or malleable form. This one is a pure form. Here, less than 0.25% of carbon. This one used for making chains, electromagnetic anchor and radiators. Next one is a steel iron. Steel iron lying between pig iron and cast iron. That is a 0.25 to 2.5% of carbon. Here condition is 0.2 to 0.5% of carbon. This one acts as a mild steel. 0.5 to 1.5% of carbon. This one acts as a hard steel. This one used for construction of building, making the TV towers, cable wires, etc. These are the different form of iron. First one is a pig iron, another one is a wrought iron, another is steel iron. Can be classified with depends upon the percentage of carbon. This one is a 2.5 to 4% of carbon. This one is a less than 0.25% of carbon. This one is lying between pig iron, another one is a wrought iron, is a 0.25 to 2.5% of carbon. Here 0.2 to 0.5% of carbon is a mild steel, 0.5 to 1.5% of carbon, this one is a hard steel. This method known as what? Extraction of metal, that is a iron from hematite formula Fe2O3. One is electrochemical principle of metallurgy. This one used for extraction of aluminium from their ores. What is the main uses for this one? This one used for extraction of metals from their ore by using the electrolysis or using the suitable reducing agent. There are two conditions. Condition number one, selecting the suitable reducing agent for the particular metallic oxide in thermodynamic metallurgy. Point number two, selecting the optimum temperature at which reduction can be occur. For example, according to electrochemical principle of electrolysis. This is the formula. delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught. Here delta G naught nothing but standard free energy change. N number of electrons transfer. F Faraday of electricity. There is a value 96,500 coulomb. Another one is E naught potential difference. Here E naught value positive if E naught value positive, delta G naught value negative. Negative mean delta G naught lesser than 0. Delta G naught, delta H naught is lesser than 0. Delta S naught greater than 0. This reaction, spontaneous reaction, reduction takes place. If delta G naught value more and more negative, it is a more reactive metal, further cannot be undergo reduction but reduce some other metals. For example, Fe react with copper sulfate to formation of FeSO4 plus Cu. This one is a more reactive metal. This one is a less reactive metal. The reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from salt, this process is known as a displacement reaction. Here Fe react with the copper 2 plus to formation of copper and Fe2 plus. Ion which carrying the positive charge get deposited at cathode. Cathode which carrying the negative charge. By using this one is extraction of aluminium from alumina going to be discussed. Extraction of aluminium from alumina is a major ore of aluminium is a oxide for formula Al2O3 taught 2 times of water. This can be is a impure ore converted to pure alumina. This process already discussed in the base process. Here extraction of aluminium from alumina. Alumina is what? Purest substance. For example, here first take the iron tank made up of carbon acts as a graphite. This one acts as a negative charge, that is a cathode. Which containing the electrolyte. Electrolyte nothing but aqueous solution of salt. Here pure Al2O3 plus Na3Al(F6) molten state plus CaF2. Pure alumina is treated with cryolite formula Na3Al F6. What is the uses for this one? This one used for lowering the melting point of pure alumina. This one acts as a flux. Flux order to this mixer, the molten mass more will be conductivity. Next another one. Here, carbon block immersed into the electrolyte, which one acts as a anode which carrying the positive charge. This one maintain the temperature 1173 Kelvin. During this process, aluminum can be extracted. This anode, carbon block immersed in electrolyte. Another one is a cathode, iron tank made up of carbon, that is a graphite. Another one is electrolyte. This is Al2O3 pure form plus Na3Al F6 molten state plus CaF2 acts as a flux. During the electrolysis, maintain the temperature 1173 Kelvin. Voltage 5 to 6 volt. Here during the electrolysis, here pure alumina get ionized to formation of A3 plus and O2 2 minus. Aluminium values 3, oxygen values 2. Common aluminium, here is a 2 aluminium, is a 2 times, here are 3 oxygen. This one acts as a cation, this one acts as a anion. Cation which carry the positive charge, anion which carry the negative charge. Cation move towards the cathode, anion move towards the anode. Cation move towards the cathode which carrying the negative charge reduction takes place. At cathode, Al3 plus, reduction means gain of electron to formation of aluminium is a liquid state. Here 3 plus 3 electron. Another one at anode. Here cation move towards a cathode which carrying the negative charge undergo reduction takes place. Reduction means addition of electron order to this what aluminium get deposited at cathode. One more question may be asked. Aluminium which carrying the positive charge, here is a iron also which carrying the positive charge. In the electrochemical principle of metallurgy is this ion which carrying the positive charge easily get deposited at negative electrode name is called cathode. At anode, this anode is made up of carbon atom react with oxygen to formation of carbon dioxide. Here one carbon, one oxygen is 2 times oxygen, 4 electron. Anode which carrying the is what positive charge, oxidation takes place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Reduction means gain of electron. Here carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. At the time carbon can be is what can easily replaced. Carbon is what burning away. This carbon dioxide can be produced at anode. Aluminium can be is what deposited at cathode. This process known as extraction of aluminium from the alumina. This process known as electrochemical principle of metallurgy, in which the process of extraction of metal from their pure ore. This topic known as metallurgy. What is the meaning for metallurgy? Is a recap the metallurgy topic. First one is ores converted into partly concentrated ore by using the concentration, partly concentrated ore converted into concentrated ore by using the leaching, is a concentrated ore converted into impure metal by using the roasting, calcination, smelting, reduction or some other chemical and electrochemical method, is a impure metal converted to pure by using the electrolytic refining. These are the flow chart for metallurgy. What is the definition of metallurgy? The complete extraction of metal from their ores. Next, there are different types of concentration. First one is a gravity separation, another one is a electromagnetic separation, flow to flotation, another one is a leaching process. These are the process of concentration. Next method, concentration of ores converted to oxide by the reduction. There are different types: roasting, calcination, smelting, reduction. Reduction can be classified in different types. First one is a chemical reduction, another one is a auto reduction, another one is a electrolytic reduction. This is a chemical reduction. What are the examples for chemical reduction? Carbon, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminium, magnesium. These are act as a powerful reducing agent. Reduce the metal oxide converted into metal. Self, another one is a self reduction. Here in the self reduction, there is no reducing agent used. Only is what metallic oxide converted into metal. Another one is electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction, there are two types. Reduction at a high temperature in the absence of water. This method used for only for extraction of alkali metal and alkaline earth metals. Another one is a reduction at a low temperature in the absence of air. This may be called as a hydrolytic washing. This can be is what used for extraction of silver from their ore. These are the electrolytic reduction method. Another one is a refining of crude metal. Refining of crude metal, there are different types. First one is a distillation, another one is a liquefaction, another one is a electrolysis, zone refining, vapor phase refining, another one is a roll process, chromatography, parting process, vacuum arc furnace refining, another one is a polling, last one is a cupellation. These are the refining of crude metal. Next is some of the terminology used in the metallurgy: minerals, ores, mining, gang or matrix, flux, slag. Another one is a furnace. Furnace can be classified different types: reverberative furnace, blast furnace, electrical furnace. Some of the example for extraction of metals. First one is iron. Iron can be extracted from the hematite ore. What are the ores of iron? Next concentration method. Next calcination. Next blast furnace takes place smelting. This furnace takes place. There are four important regions. First one is a combustion zone. Another one is a fusion zone. Another one is a slag formation. Last one is a reduction zone. Is a finally formation of iron. Iron can be classified in different type. First one is a pig iron, wrought iron. Another one is a steel iron. Depends upon the percentage of carbon atom. Another one is a electrochemical principle of metallurgy, in which metal can be extracted by using the electrolysis or using the some reducing agent. By using the electrical principle of metallurgy, delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught. Last one is by using this concept, we are going to be extract the aluminium from alumina. Aluminium get deposited at cathode. Thank you. Recall all the equation. These equations are very important. Direct question may be asked in the examination. Good luck.